Imagine this, in just 15 days, you'll not only feel stronger and more energetic, but will also notice changes in how your body moves and looks. This challenge isn't just about physical transformation. It's about unlocking your potential and proving to yourself that you can achieve greatness one rep at a time. Let's get started on this transformative journey. Day 1 to 3. Setting the foundation. Transformation starts with preparation. The first 3 days of this challenge are designed to wake up your body and get it ready for the journey ahead. These workouts focus on activating your muscles, improving blood flow, and building your endurance. 1. Jumping jacks. 3 sets of 30 seconds. Jumping jacks are an excellent full-body exercise to warm up your body and elevate your heart rate. They engage your legs, arms, and core simultaneously, preparing your muscles for more intense workouts. How to perform. Stand upright with your feet together and hands by your sides. Jump and spread your legs while raising your arms above your head. Jump back to the starting position and repeat. Focus on controlled movements to avoid strain on your knees. 2. Bodyweight squats. 3 sets of 12 reps. Squats are fundamental for building lower body strength. They engage your glutes, quads, hamstrings, and even your core for stability. How to perform. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Push your hips back as if sitting into a chair. Lower your body until your thighs are parallel to the ground, keeping your back straight. Exhale as you push back up to standing. 3. Plank hold. 3 sets of 20 seconds. Planks activate your core, improve posture, and strengthen stabilizing muscles. How to perform. Lie face down and lift your body onto your elbows and toes. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and hold without letting your hips sag or lift too high. Key focus. Build a solid base by concentrating on form and engaging your core in every movement. Day 4 to 6. Building strength and stamina. Once your body is activated, it's time to start building strength and endurance. These workouts challenge your muscles while improving your stamina for longer and more intense sessions. 1. Push-ups. 3 sets of 10 reps. Push-ups are a compound exercise targeting your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. How to perform. Place your hands shoulder width apart on the floor and extend your legs behind you. Lower your body until your chest is just above the floor, keeping your elbows close to your sides. Push back up to the starting position, exhaling as you do. 2. Lunges. 3 sets of 12 reps per leg. Lunges are excellent for unilateral leg strength, coordination, and balance. How to perform. Step forward with one leg, lowering your body until both knees form a 90-degree angle. Push back up to standing and switch legs. Keep your torso upright and engage your core for balance. 3. Mountain climbers. 3 sets of 30 seconds. Mountain climbers combine cardio and core work, making them a calorie-burning powerhouse. How to perform. Start in a plank position. Drive one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs in a running motion. Maintain a steady pace and keep your hips level. Key focus. Build endurance and keep pushing through the burn. Day 7 to 9. Turning up the intensity. You're hitting your stride, so it's time to increase the challenge. High-intensity exercises burn fat, build muscle, and boost cardiovascular fitness. 1. Burpees. 3 sets of 10 reps. Burpees are a full-body exercise that tests your strength, endurance, and coordination. How to perform. Start in a standing position. Drop into a squat and place your hands on the ground. Kick your legs back into a plank position. Quickly return your feet to the squat position and jump explosively upward. 2. Jump squats. 3 sets of 10 reps. Jump squats build explosive lower body strength while increasing your heart rate. How to perform. Perform a squat as usual. At the bottom of the squat, push through your heels to jump upward. Land softly and immediately lower into the next squat. 3. High knees. 3 sets of 30 seconds. High knees are a cardio move that engages your core and legs. How to perform. Jog in place, bringing your knees as high as possible with each step. Swing your arms in rhythm with your legs for maximum engagement. Key focus. Embrace the intensity and remember that every rep brings you closer to your goals. Day 10 to 12. Sculpting and defining. Now it's time to focus on toning your muscles and improving your range of motion. These exercises prioritize strength, balance, and flexibility. 1. Glute bridges. 3 sets of 12 reps. Glute bridges target your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. How to perform. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat. Lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Squeeze your glutes at the top, then lower with control. 2. Side plank holds. 3 sets of 20 seconds per side. Side planks strengthen your obliques and improve overall core stability. How to perform. Lie on your side and prop your body up on your elbow. Keep your body in a straight line, engaging your core. Hold without letting your hips drop. 3. Standing oblique crunches. 3 sets of 15 reps per side. This move sculpts your obliques and tones your waist. How to perform. Stand tall with your hands behind your head. Lift one knee toward the opposite elbow, crunching your side. Lower and repeat on the other side. Key focus. Pay attention to form and engage your muscles fully in every rep. Day 13 to 15, the final push. This is it, the last stretch of your challenge. Give it everything you've got. 1. Push up to plank rows. 3 sets of 10 reps per side. This combo move strengthens your upper body, core, and balance. How to perform. Perform a push-up. Then lift one arm to row a weight or mimic the motion without equipment. Alternate arms after each push-up. 2. Split squat jumps. 3 sets of 10 reps per leg. These explosive movements work your legs and improve power. How to perform. Lower into a split squat position. Push off the ground and switch legs midair. Land softly and repeat. 3. Bicycle crunches. 3 sets of 15 reps per side. Bicycle crunches are perfect for targeting your entire abdominal area. How to perform. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head. Bring one elbow to the opposite knee while extending the other leg. Alternate sides in a pedaling motion. Key focus. Push past any lingering fatigue and finish strong. You're almost there. Congratulations. You've completed the 15-day Fat to Fit challenge and proven what consistency, effort, and determination can achieve. Fitness isn't a destination. It's a lifelong journey. Keep these workouts in your arsenal. And remember, small steps done consistently lead to extraordinary results. If you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more transformative workouts. This is just the beginning. Let's keep going together. See you in the next video.